We'll guide you through how to turn off the Facebook like button sound. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. And so you found there's a sound when you go and press the like button. So while this can go and be cool, it can go and get annoying if you go and press it a lot. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and stop it or turn it off. So make sure it's full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started with this, what you need to do is come into the app as I already am. We are on the home page right now, and you need to go and press the 3 lines in the top left, and this opens up this side menu. Scroll down and you need to expand settings and privacy. Then in here, you need to go and find the option for settings, and you can go and tap there like so. Then what you can do is you can go and scroll down like this, and you want to come into preferences. And you want to go and find the option for media, as you can see, and you want to go and tap on it. Then what you want to do is go into the section sound in feed and stories, and you want to go and find play all sounds in app. And to go and stop it, you want to make sure that's turned off. Now, when you're going to have that turned off, what you can do is you can come back and you can go and press the like button, and you'll go and find it no longer goes and makes a sound.